everyone, this is Alice in WonderPAN update. So let's see, I am still working on some things. All right, we are at no problem, touch and soap, primer. I am actually down to here. Maybe the next update I will finish. But I have been doing this and getting product out. Smells okay. But I can't wait to finish this. So turn on my scale. And this is weighing at 83. So it was 85 and now it's 83. So I'm glad. Next update I think will be finished. The Freeman mask. This is like a charcoal cleansing mask. I thought it was like a rip-off mask. I guess it's just a cleansing mask. And it is weighing at 67. Last time it was 85, so 67. Nice. It is down to here now. So I'm doing pretty good there. And then one was off with her head. And this is an empty. This was really good. It smells so good. The Moroccan oil hydration, just like a wash off mask in the shower. So this was good. If I could, I would repurchase this. And then I am now working on the Dawn Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curls. I don't have curls, but I just used like any kind of conditioner just in the bottom part of my hair. And it's weighing at 62. So I'm pretty sure it's at 68. Now it's 62. And then this one's an empty. There. So working on this actually smells like musky. When I put it in my hair, it smells like I'm wearing like a guy's body shower gel or something like that. That's what it smells like for me. So still working on these 3 products. I'll leave everything down below. And again, this is Alice in WonderPAN Project Pan. Thank you for watching.